What's an oboe reed? The oboe is a woodwind family instrument, and the mouthpiece that it uses to produce the sound is a double reed. Also, we must keep in mind that the oboe needs the reed so that we can produce the sound through it. When we play only with the reed, it produces a totally different sound than when it is already placed in the oboe. Next, I show you an oboe reed and how it sounds, both outside and incorporated into the upper body of the instrument. See the full video, you can click here. What's the difference between a double reed and a single reed? The single reed is formed by a single blade, and the double reed is formed by two tight and straight blades. The reed produces the sound by its vibration because of the air coming from our lungs. This air passes through the instrument, making it sound. Therefore, the oboe is a double reed instrument, and other double reed instruments could be the English horn, the oboe d'amore, the baritone oboe, the bassoon, and the contrabassoon. On the other hand, single reed instruments are, for example, the saxophone and the clarinet. It's important to learn how to make the reeds personally, especially during the years of training. And by doing that, we can know better what works for us. Also, in that way, we understand the process better, and we have the resources to finish and prepare our own reeds in the future. Today, we can find traditional wooden reeds and also innovative and new creation plastic oboe reeds. Next, we will see some advantages and disadvantages of each of them. Wooden reeds for oboe. Today there are more options of wooden reeds, so we are able to achieve a greater degree of personalization. Most achieved sound quality. If we learn how to make them, we really learn how they work and also how the different factors can affect the final result obtained with the oboe. They suffer changes in the fibers of the wood due to the weather. They are cheaper than plastic reeds. They don't last so long. They generate some uncertainty about how they will respond if we change the study, rehearsal or classroom, the concert or city with more or less latitude and humidity. They are most expensive long-term investment. Plastic reeds for oboe. More durability. By omitting the fibers of the wood, this type of reed does not change due to the weather. They bring us peace of mind because we know they will be there when we need it. They are more expensive. Sound quality less achieved at the moment. The plastic reeds for English horn are on the testing phase and soon they will be on the market. They are more economic on the long term. They are very good to study because during the study hours we end up using and spending many reeds. They are a good option for people who don't know how to make reeds, are not able or they don't have the time for it, but who want to play the oboe, both personally and professionally. Would we be able to print oboe reeds with 3D printers from our home in the near future? In the next videos we will see how to pack the oboe reeds, what are their parts, their price, how to prepare them to play, maintenance and confection, and many other topics. I see you very soon in the next video. Welcome to the MusicBayside community. On the website of MusicBayside, musicbayside.com, you will find information on how to get online lessons and personalized attention, and a free subscription to the newsletter. Through the email mail@musicbayside.com, you can get in touch. Share the video and subscribe to the YouTube channel MusicBayside, where you will find new videos every week. Follow me on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram to be tuned. Have you heard about the Patreon platform? If you like the content I'm creating in MusicBayside and you want to support the project with a monthly donation started at $1, you can visit my Patreon page, patreonpage.com/musicbaysideoboe, where you will find all the information about it. Thanks for being there, and I see you very soon in the next video.